Shall we play with Play-Doh together today? Let's see which one of us is more creative. Ooh, oh wow, what happened? This Play-Doh is completely dried out. And it's hard as a rock. What are we gonna do now? Are we gonna give up playing with Play-Doh? Or are we gonna find a solution? Wait, I've got it! We're not giving up! I have an idea! Flour! Salt! Vegetable oil! Warm water! Ta-ta-ta-ta! 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a cup of warm water, a few drops of yellow food coloring. Ta-da-da! Mix it, mix it. Just a little more mixing, and we're done! Am I a mixer? Why not? I'm that strong! We did it! Can I make a duck in 10 seconds? Perfect! Ooh! Perfectly sleepy! Want to make your own Play-Doh? 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it, shape it, 1/4 cup of warm water. A few drops sweet up some food coloring. Show me yours!